Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Sin and this is Beauty with Sin. Welcome to the beauty channel. First and foremost, I want to say yay, we have 50 subscribers on this channel, and I want to say thank you so much for joining the Beauty with Sin family. Today we're gonna be doing another wig, and this one is called the Daily Wig, and this is by, I actually saw this on either Instagram where somebody, not Instagram, either YouTube. I was just browsing and I saw someone review this wig and I was like, oh, let me go find it. Now because it's by OUTRE. So we received the wig a couple days ago, and this is the wig. Let me give you guys a nice view of the wig. It's called the Daily Wig, and it is a lace part wig. So this is a series by OUTRE. The Daily Wig is actually a series by OUTRE, and they have several different daily wigs, but it does not have lace front. It only has lace parting. So some of the wigs that I did look at when I saw this, they do show a line of demarcation when you put it on. So there's a few wigs that I probably wouldn't want to pick up, or I might pick up and try to figure out how to kind of enhance that, not enhance that line of demarcation. This one was the only one that I saw that I thought would look really good, and it wouldn't showcase so much of that line of demarcation based off of there. So I did get the blonde one. I got her in DR4 Tiramisu. That is the model that's over there wearing the blonde. That's her. That's the color I got. And let's get started on the wig. I took off my wig. Let's open her and see what she is giving. She is hand-tied lace part. That is what she is. So I am hoping that with her being that way, she doesn't look like, you know, something's wrong with her. You know, we always got to do the specs. And so this is from the stock card. This is she from the stock card. She does come in several different colors. And she has DR chocolate swirl, DR tiramisu, which is what I got, DRST2 chocolate caramel, DRFF2 ginger brown, DRFF golden amber, and DRFF red velvet. This is what, and her name is Waverly, and this is the line that OUTRE have called the Wear Me on the Daily. That's what it says over there, Wear Me on the Daily. So it says, Wear Me on the Daily, ready, set, go, the Daily Wig. Makes being beautiful, quick and easy. With a natural hand-tied lace part in a variety of styles. This collection is ready to wear anywhere and beautiful right out of the box. The Daily Wig is your everyday wig for life. Premium synthetic fibers, pre-plucked and hand-tied lace eye part, breathable mesh cap, and heat styling friendly. I want to show you, this is what the parting looks like. Yep. So remember, she's not lace. So I guess if you were to really give this, like compare this to something, it would be one of those, you know, those what you're seeing now where the girls are saying that it's the pre-plucked lace wigs where you don't have to cut the lace off. You just literally take it out the box and, you know, wear it. So I'm thinking that's what this is giving. Like, it has no lace on there. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna bring it close so you get to see that. I'm gonna turn to the side because I actually want you guys to see it. So it's like you already cut the lace off. And even though it has a line of demarcation, I think the thing about OUTRE is it actually knows what to look for. Let me kind of have it focus on that area. There you go. That's what I like about OUTRE. OUTRE knows what to do with their stuff. So this is the wig. It's crimp. I love a good crimp. Oh, and she is soft, so we're not gonna disturb her. She does come with an elastic band, which I love. That's what I'm telling you. She reminds me of the ones that is like no lace front. It's just right out the bag, pick it up out there. So she has two combs at the side, comb at the back, adjustable straps, and the lace, the band that you can put it on and wear lace free glueless. Okay, now let's put this on. We're not gonna disturb the curls. We're gonna just go ahead, put the band on. keep in mind it is a center part wig, so let's just kind of adjust it right here. And I'm not going to put the combs in, I'm just going to do that. Let me kind of adjust you guys so I can. Now my cap underneath here is not that great. She is very secure. She tight and secure. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. She's a secure tightness. So the elastic band comes in heavy. She does have room in the back from the elastic band, so you can basically, like, you know, adjust it if you have a smaller head, or if you have like a slightly larger circumference head, she will fit on your head. So don't act like, you know, she won't. Now, like I said, the stocking cap is too light, but once I wear her, like completely get a good colored stocking cap, I can do that. Maybe I can just do a parting in my hair when I braid it and put her on, and I probably won't need a stocking cap because she, you know, like they said, she's an everyday wig. This is what she looks like. So I'm gonna spin around and show you guys the back. You guys get to see that side, and you get to see her on this side. First impressions out of the bag. I like her. She is soft. Look how soft she is. She's soft. I don't know if I would want to disturb the curls, but also look, Outre gave you somewhat of like a little baby hair there where you could pull it out and kind of help you with the, you know, giving it the illusion that they want. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this wig, and I will see you in the next